These lightweight electric pruning shears were sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing them, going over the features, and then putting them to work trimming back the wild berry vines that grow into my garden and dog run from my neighbor's yard. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged securely. Inside the box, you get the electric pruning shears, charger, maintenance tools, and the user manual. As I'm taking everything out, I show each item up close so you can see exactly what's included. Right away, one of the first things I noticed is how lightweight these feel. They're easy to hold and the grip feels comfortable in my hand. According to the manufacturer, these are designed for women, seniors, and people with smaller hands or tired hands in mind, and I can definitely see why. They don't feel bulky or difficult to control. Before heading outside, I take a closer look at the controls. One feature I like is the adjustable cutting opening. You can switch between approximately 0.6 inches and 1 inch, depending on the size of what you're trimming. That gives you a little more flexibility instead of always using the full blade opening. The shears also feature a SK5 steel cutting blade and a brushless motor, which the manufacturer designed for efficient cutting performance. After showing the controls, it's time to put them to work. I take them outside to my garden and dog run, where every year wild blackberry vines start growing through the fence from my neighbor's property. If you've ever dealt with wild blackberries, you know how quickly they spread, so there's something I like to stay on top of throughout the season. As you can see in the video, I start trimming back the vines section by section. One thing I noticed right away is that I wasn't constantly squeezing traditional hand pruners. Instead, with just the pull trigger, the shears make clean cuts through the vines with much less effort. I also like that they're light enough that my hand doesn't feel like it's getting tired while working around the fence. Throughout the trimming, I show several cuts from different angles so you can get a realistic idea of how they perform on actual vegetation rather than just loose branches on a workbench. You can also see how easy it is to maneuver around the plants while reaching into tighter areas. Since I was working around my dog's run, it's nice to be able to quickly remove the vines before they spread any further into the area. By the end of the trimming, the area looks much cleaner, and it's satisfying seeing those overgrown vines finally cut back. Throughout the video, I focus on the unboxing, the controls, and the real-world use in my yard because I think that's the best way to evaluate a tool like this. Overall, I came away very impressed with how comfortable these pruning shears were to use. If you regularly maintain flower beds, shrubs, fruit trees, or deal with overgrown vines like I do, these electric pruning shears can save both time and effort while making repetitive trimming much more comfortable.